So I guess today's going to be a quick video. It's just going to be how to replace your coolant reservoir in a URS4. Mine cracked at the bottom and started leaking at the bottom. As you can see, all that extra coolant and nasty down there started leaking at the sensor also. So I got a brand new unit and I'm going to be replacing this really quickly. So step one, you want to loosen this hose clamp and take this hose off. Then you're probably going to want to take this sensor off at the bottom. Just pulls right off. There's two little clips that you can loosen up, but mine's pretty loose already. Next step, you're going to loosen these bolts right here. These three 8mm bolts, so you can free the reservoir. Once the reservoir is free of all the bolts and connections, you're going to want to take this lower hose off. The reason why I keep this step for last is because it's the messy one. When you do that, all of the coolant out of the overflow or the reservoir is going to pour out, and you're going to have to deal with that. So I have my trusty bucket, and I'm going to have to do this quickly. So it's funny, now that I get this reservoir out, it looks like someone has previously repaired it, and there's my culprit right there, the big crack in the bottom. And also, you can't really see, but this was also leaking around here. So I'm glad I'm getting a new one. This one has lived a long life, definitely. So reinstallation goes the same. Quickly attach your sensor, then tighten the lower coolant hose. Next, you're going to take the upper hose. Make sure your hose clamp is a little bit further back. Attach that. It's hard to do this with one hand. And then attach your 3 bolts. And refill with coolant, and you should be good to go. Once you have everything tidied up, all the bolts, every hose clamp is good, fill it up with coolant and start it up. Watch your temperature gauge closely and make sure you're not overheating, and you should be done at this point. If you have any leaks, try and tighten the hose clamps, and if that doesn't work, you should get a new hose clamp, because that's a lot of the time these hose clamps get weak and you're tightening it, but it's really not tightening. So I guess that's just a quick video I made on how to replace the reservoir. I'm going to try and do more content like that on the URS4 soon, but that's all I got for now, and see you guys soon.